Okay, so a lot of people are asking, with doing these boat tanks, how to put them back in, what's the best way to put them back in. So the best way that I've found, so you don't have to deal with this for at least 10 years, I lightly sand them with like a Scotch-Brite or something like that, wipe them down with acetone, let it go ahead and paint them. Anything from All Grip is a superb product. I'm not going to need to reduce it because I'm just going to roll this on there so it's good and thick. But if you're going to spray it, you're going to need to reduce it to be 2 parts paint, 1 part converter, and no more than 25% of that of a reducer. So basically it's going to be 1 to 2. The company who made this one, I don't exactly know his company name, but it's a guy named Jimmy Dixon down in Homestead. He did absolutely amazing work. As you can see, the mark lines where he put in the baffles in there. And what he's doing is, it's not like any other shop that are taking and welding all 4 corners. So what this guy did is he took a solid sheet and broke it. Breaking it is the point of bending a metal. It's called a break. So he broke it here, sent it all the way around to the top, and then this piece, you can see the little mark here where he put it on the machine, folded those tabs in, so he has a perfect seam all the way around. Once again, he pressure tests everything before he gave it to me, let me see it. I mean, this guy went as far as to drill the holes and tap them for me so I didn't have to use my existing measurements. I mean, his welds are fantastic. I couldn't ask for a better job. He went ahead and welded this too, so it didn't scar or scratch the hoses over time. I mean, guy just did an amazing job. I could not ask for anything better. So if you're from the Homestead, Florida area and you need anything welded at all, this is the guy I'd go to. I'll send in a link the guy's number and contact information. As far as he's got nephews and that weld as well, Zach Shivery, he's an amazing welder. Tyler Dixon can custom make you any lift kit you want. So these are the guys, if you ever hear these names pop up, they're amazing at their job. They're great welders. And the tank was not too expensive. I got other quotes anywhere from $900 to $1,200. He did this job for me for $650. Now, once again, this is an 85-gallon tank. Some of the guys charge per gallon, but overall, I could not be happier with the tank. Guy did an amazing job. So we've already prepped most of the area. I got most of the foam pulled out of there, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish that while I have that sitting there waiting to dry. We had to put this system here because it was so well stuck in there due to the foam, just to use a chain block to hoist it out of there. Once again, make sure you put your ground straps in so you don't get electrolysis. The paint's gonna protect it as best it can, but if you have salt water or even fresh water sitting in there over time, it's just gonna eat a hole in it. So here's one of the grounds. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. As you can see, it's not in the best of shape, but I'll go ahead and replace that while I'm in there. We had to cut this section out of the fiberglass, not fiberglass, and lay all that in. I'll keep you updated as we go. This is fresh water. We just ordered him a new pump so he can have his fresh water hooked back up. But that's it for right now. I'll just keep you posted every step of the way and how we're doing this. And he's got a little soft spot there we're going to go ahead and take care of while we have it open, so it doesn't create any issues later on and he has to go through the same job of getting it pulled out.